Guys, look at that skinny dog. That's a skinny ass dog running down the foal. Dog skinny, man. So trim see me now. Him stop. Oh my god, he is skinny. Watch. Wait, him not see me. I thought he saw me. Oh Lord, he is so skinny. Let me zoom in on him. Jesus. Say really run on the fall for eat the fall. His ass is skinny, man. I don't even know whose dog it is. It's probably a stray dog. Oh my god. Watch Kitty right this other corner. Watch him. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright. Alright. Oh, so he just spotted me, so he's turning back. That dog is skinny. Actually, it's a little puppy. He's so skinny. It's probably a stray. It has no owner, probably. I don't know. He's so skinny. He is so skinny. What you doing, puppy? What you doing? Come here. Kitty right there watching him. Alright, there he goes. His ass is so skinny, man. Hey guys, my ear look crazy. Damn. Anyway, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. The dog's skinny bad, but anybody want a dog? I think it's just a stray animal. Yeah, it not have no owner, so y'all need a dog, let me know. Mm-hmm. Then, guys, that cat is not my cat. I'm not the owner. Neighbor's cat. Shh. Say hi, kitty. Look. He or she's probably hunting chicken too. Mm-hmm. Guys, quick question for you. How old were you when you found out that liquors are not sold on election day, or you cannot purchase liquors on election day? I found that out, I think, the day after election. Yes, and I saw it on TikTok. People posted videos with the liquors all wrapped up. So they could not like buy liquor on election day. I think I'm going to share one of the videos with you, but comment below, let me know.
Did you know that on election day you cannot purchase alcohol in the supermarkets? Them tape up the drinks, them tape up the drink, them. That is so funny.
I guess they only wanted sober voters. So guys, it's 4:04 p.m. Let's see what's on the dinner menu. No, I did not cook today, but I will be eating. All right. All right. So this is what's on the dinner menu. So this is it. Guys, look at the chickens. They gotten so big. What? Okay. They're so wild. They make me nail about that drink there. They keep on cutting it and they keep on falling down. They need to nail it up. It's annoying, man. Oh, my blender. So, guys, remember when these blenders were trending right here in Jamaica? Yeah. Guys, I bought a couple back then and I sold them out. And I saved one. I think the reason why I end up buying them and selling them because I bought the first one and I loved it and I decided that I wanted to sell some and they sell so fast. Yeah. I know. Let me see if this one still works. I think I have this like from last year. I think it's from last year. Let me see if it's having charge. It wouldn't have in charge because a long time I use it, but I guess if I'm gonna use it, I will have to charge it up. So on and off. This is the charging area right there. Yeah, I think it charged for like what 6 hours, and the charging lasts like for 12 days or so. I don't remember, but it's still in good condition. I guess what we can't even carry it on the road and blend whatever I'm blending. As in making smoothie or just making some juice. Yeah, love, love, love it. Oh, it have the strainer. This little part here, this is a strainer. Yeah, so put this part right here, so spray it on. Alright, so they're done blend, like yeah, say for instance like apples or probably mangoes, whatever. The waste, so you just strain it and the waste would be left back in the container. Or you can just blend your juice, carry it with you. And but they're still selling these on Amazon, Shein. You just type in like mini blenders. You can just go into stores, like especially wholesale. They have a lot of them. Yeah, so they're no longer trendy, but I still have mine. Yeah. Never say never. So whenever I'm ready to use it, I think I'm gonna do a vlog so they can actually see. I put it back up in the cupboard. Oh. This. Subscribe to the channel, like, leave a positive comment, hit the notification bell for Amanda's Reality. Guys, I'm a reflection upon the fridge of frightening me. Maybe I want it. Oh, that's okay. That's my reflection right there. Alright, guys, I'm just uploading some invoices to my shipping place. Have you send back to you? Okay, hold on. Okay, so it says add pre-alerts. It says add pre-alerts. So alright, log out. Let's go. And then it's night, so the take out it on D because I'm gonna hit the shower. Yeah, it's shower time. Look for something to put on when I get out the shower. Mm-mm-mm-mm. But what to put on? When I'm going out, I always say, what should I put on? When I'm at home, looking for some yard clothes, I'm like, what to put on? You know. Alright. Alright, I'm put this on. Okay. Watch waist trainer. Guys, my waist trainer. I had it on yesterday on the live. If you haven't seen that live, guys, you need to watch it. Yeah. Ta-
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if this with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ice we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. Oh, honey. Stop it, give me kissy, girl. Stop it, give me kissy. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You go home, be close and on your neck, gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what gets you sticky. I ain't ain't got a little astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apologies when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we both so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you